Okay, we may be curious what comes in a Moog DS1147 track bar replacement kit. This is for your Jeep Cherokee and your Jeep Wagoneers and your other Jeeps. But let's open it up. Nothing too fancy. Obviously, track bar. Focus. Yep. Looking good. And then you got your your cotter pin, and then your castle nut. But that's it. Just going to show you real quick. This is what you get. DS1147 track bar. This is what you get in the kit. Should run you about $40 off of Amazon. You might pay more at a parts store. Lately, Amazon's the better deal with auto parts. So go check them out. Links in the description if you're looking for this. Alright guys, thanks, and look for my video of me putting this in.